So I just want to do a quick review on this company, Light My Fire. It's a Swedish company, and I ordered this product. It's a ferro rod, and it's a steel stick, I think is what they call it, steel stick 2. It's a fire rod, and it's got a whistle. It works. And a striker. What I like about it is, I guess they say you can get 3,000 strikes out of it, but what I like about it is that it has these thumbprints, essentially, to hold the ferro rod in place and the striker. It gives you a really good grip on this striker, and it puts out some great sparks. What I love about this company is their customer service is awesome. They will help you out with any issues that you have. One time I had one of these ferro rods actually come out of the holster. I think it was a manufacturing error on that one ferro rod, because I haven't had a problem with this one at all. It's pretty new, so there we go. But they just randomly included this straw, which I thought was a straw. I'm like, well, that's kind of strange. But then I realized it's a bellow. It's to blow the fire once you get it started, because they are essentially a fire company. They make products for fires. So what I'm going to do is a little demonstration. I have brought some, and I'm doing this in a controlled environment because I'm in Arizona and it's over 100 degrees outside. But I have this Go Fire fire starter. You usually don't open up the package, but I'm doing it just because I'm using a ferro rod on the material. So I'll just kind of break it up here and put it in a little pile just to demonstrate this tool. Just gonna do that. Like I said, typically you just take this package, throw it in the fire, use a lighter, and start your fire. It's great. And check out my other video on different fire starting materials, because I test this with a ferro rod. I also test a fire stick, which is that kind of waterproof, waxy cloth material, and then also a fuel tab to see which one starts. So that's a different video, but this, I'm just instant. Look at that. So I really love this product. Controlled environment. I really love this product because first of all, I love the Go Fire. Use this in your emergency kits. Just pack some in there to quickly start your fires, and or just pack one of these packages and take with you, always have with you a ferro rod on any of your outdoor adventures, backpacking trips, camping trips, motorcycle trips. It's always great to just have a backup fire starter and propellant. So thanks for watching.